Let's take a look at this problem. We got the determinant of -5, 2, 0, 0, -1, 3, 4, 0, 2. Okay, all looks right. So we got -5, 2, 0, 0, -1, 3, 4, 0, 2. We got -5, 2, 0, 0, -1, 3, 4, 0, 2. And -5, 2, 0, 0, -1, 3, 4, 0, 2. This is going to show you the cofactor method. There is a shortcut for a 3x3, but we're focusing on the cofactor method in this video. Now, we pick a row and column to work with. Doesn't matter which row, which column. I'll pick the first row. It's just, might as well. 3x3 is just as easy to pick that as any of them. And our signs. Our first entry right here is going to be a positive. Now, this has nothing to do with the signs that are already there for the numbers. These are extra signs we're putting in. And the first entry is always positive. And then it alternates. That's positive, so this is negative, and this is positive. So our signs is we'll have a positive, we'll have a negative, we'll have a positive. Well, now we're going to write down the numbers that are there. Here we got -5, here we got 2, and here we got 0. And then we're going to have a determinant after each one of those numbers. Let's start with our first number, -5. Well, I'm going to circle a -5, and I cross out the row and column it's in. So I cross out that row, cross out that column. What isn't crossed out is what goes right here. So this will be a -1, 3, 0, 2. Our next number, the 2. I cross out the row and column it's in. What isn't crossed out is what goes in this determinant, which would be 0, 3, 4, 2. And I go to my last number, the 0. Even though 0 times anything is 0, I'll still show you the pattern. I cross out the row and column it's in. And what isn't crossed out is what goes right here. So we've got 0, -1, 4, 0. Okay, positive, negative is negative, so that's -5. And I'm going to cross multiply. So I'll take -1 times 2, and I'll take 0 times 3. And we'll put a minus in between them. -2, cross multiply, 0 times 2, 4 times 3. And we put a minus in between them. Now, last part, 0 times anything is 0, so I don't even need to worry about that. Okay, so I got -5. -1 times 2 is -2, minus 0 times 3, that's -0. -2, 0 times 2 is 0, minus 4 times 3 is 12. Those zeros don't add anything, so we got -5 times -2, which gives us 10. And that 0 drops away, and you got -2 times -12, which gives us positive 24. And 10 plus 24 gives us 34. And that's our answer.